Hi friends, I am Sonali Mahajan. Today I am going to tell you about how to write a research paper, how to write your thesis properly. In this session, we are discussing about the choosing about a right topic, main contents of your research paper, do's and don'ts in your research writing, and at last I am going to tell you important links that are very useful to you in writing your research paper. So research is a ongoing process, and choosing a right unique innovative topic, it's a quite difficult task. I recommend you to refer IEEE Digital Library. You have to go through various journals, ebooks, various blogs so as to improve your knowledge about latest technology. If you have knowledge about various languages such as Java and Python, it will be added advantage. In digital library, IEEE Digital Library, there are variety of research paper are available from various streams including artificial intelligence, IoT, communication, image processing. So you have to refer these papers and choose proper interesting topic so that you have to complete your research paper within a stipulated period of time. Now we discuss key contents of research paper. First one is abstract. Abstract is a brief summary of your overall research. So you have to write it very carefully. It should be concise, informative, and it should contain 150 to 250 words. You have to explain what your purpose of your research. You have to tell about the research problem, what kind of methodology you have used, what kind of software hardware platform you have used in order to solve the research problem. This is the my abstract from my paper. Here I have done IoT based health monitoring system for the chronic diseases. I have discussed here about the traditional health care system which are very costly, having a invasive sensor. The IoT based system is quite useful for health disorder including asthma and osteoporosis. I have chosen a particle photon as a platform, IoT based platform. It consists of an ARM processor M3, and we have um, uses accelerometer and temperature sensor, SpO2 sensor, and visualization is done over the Adafruit processor, Adafruit web server, sorry. And you have the doctor can access from the health data from login ID and the password. So I have written in about 183 words, and it's a brief and concise just like required. Next step is introduction. Introduction is a background of your research. Here you have to analyze and discuss various existing research that have done in your required topic. According to your required topic, you have to discuss the pros and cons of existing system and how your system is better, what kind of parameters you are going to measure, what software platform is you have used in your research. That should be discussed in the introduction. And at last, organization of paper. In organization of paper, you have to divide the research paper in a section, section 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you have to complete your all research work in that section. Next one is literature review. Literature review is a short and sweet summary of your research work, and you have to discuss author wise research uh, and in a definite sequence. So you have to discuss the name of the author and what they have done in their research in a definite chronicle sequence, as you have to refer in the reference section. Next one is a system development. System development, in here you have to describe your system, what your system is about, what problem you have to solve, what kind of sensor and hardware platform you have used in your system. It is discussed here. If you have used mathematical equations and formulas, that should be also included in that. Next one is performance analysis. Here you are evaluating your system in a different operating conditions as well as in parameters. Here you have to discuss how you set up your project, how you evaluate the different parameters. In my system, I have measured uh, accelerometer sensor parameters, temperature parameter. All these I have evaluated with reference to referred parameters. It are all these are compared with the reference parameters. In algorithm, you have to list the sequence of steps that are carried out to solve the problem. Sequentially, you have to list of instructions that are carried out to solve the problem are discussed in the algorithm. And in performance analysis, you have to include the screenshot of your system. You have to add some tables and graph and discuss about that whatever the parameters you have measured. Okay, last section is the important section, that is conclusion. Conclusion is done on the basis of performance analysis. You have to discuss what are the benefits of the system, of your system, what are the pros and the what is the future scope of your system, means how you upgrade your system. In my system I can measure more parameters, so I have to add more number of sensors that I have included in my system. What are do's and don'ts? So you have to uh, must care about the things. What you have to do is you should use a simple technical language. Simple technical language, you have to choose some synonyms from the Google. No, don't use repetitive words just like useful, just like use as. Instead of that, design for, incorporated with, just like a use that some word which are uh, good one, so that your research paper looks impressive. Abstract should be best one, so it is a face of your all overall research work. So it should be concise and brief, having 150 to 250 words, and you what you have problem solved should be clearly defined here. What methodology use should be clearly defined in your abstract. Don't use paraphrasing, means alteration of words. Don't use that. Clearly write down all the ingredients, means abstract in your own language. Go to plagiarium tool, check out the English grammatical mistake, punctuation mark mistake from that, and then go ahead. So you have to use plagiarium tools. I will give you link for that also. Here I have given you links. First one is UGC journal list. This one is the website when you are want to publish your research. You can go through this journal list where the UGC approved journals are there, and you have to choose one of the research journal from this one. And next one is IEEE Explorer, a digital library. You have to choose that www.ieexplorer.ieee.org site. Here you have get variety of research paper on variety of streams. You have to choose right topic from that research for your research here. So what you have to do, just go to that topic, search for that topic, copy the DOI, means digital object identifier, from that IEEE research paper, of that IEEE research paper. Go to Sci-Hub link, paste that link, and that will open the PDF of that research paper. Okay. Then after completion of the research, you can go for conference. All conference alert gives you the conferences conducted in overall India and overall other foreign countries. You have to get the information day wise, what is the fee structure for that research paper for publishing in that conference, fee structure of that conference, template of that research paper, all will get you from the allconferencealert.conf site. And last one is grammarly.com. Whenever you write individual content, means abstract, introduction, all these are written in your own language, then go to grammarly.com to check how you have written. To find out a grammatical mistake, punctuation mark mistake, word count is also there. So go to the grammarly.com as well as plagiarium.com. So if there is a plagiarium, then you can get that notification from that site also. Thanks for watching my session. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.